This is an excerpt from Diamond Systems for 8-ball and 9-ball players. This video has 1, 2, 3, and 4 rail systems with hundreds of graphics to make learning easy. Here's a great system for going 3 or 4 rails and striking your object ball. I'll first explain how the system works, then Mike Massey will go through different scenarios and game situations. In this system, the only numbers you need to remember are the numbers for the in rail, 3, 5, and 7. And here are the numbers between the diamonds. So let's go through an example of how this system works. In this game of 8-ball, we're going to go 3 rails to pocket the 8-ball. And this is a do or die shot since our opponent has an easy layout if he gets another turn. The first thing we'll do is pick a target. Since we need to pocket the 8-ball, we don't want to strike it full. We just want to clip the left side of the ball, sending it to the pocket. So a good target to use would be this diamond. Now let's count down 4 diamond lengths from this target. Since this area is 4 diamond lengths away from our target, if we shoot at this area, we need to send the cue ball toward 4 on the in rail, and that will take the cue ball toward our target. Let's go down 1 more diamond length from our target. So now we're 5 diamond lengths from our target, which means if we aim toward this area and send the cue ball toward 5 on the in rail, the cue ball will travel toward our target. This system definitely requires practice since you have to develop a feel for how much spin on the cue ball will send the cue ball to the number on the in rail. And one thing to remember is that you're not hitting the cushion in front of the number. You want to send the cue ball toward the actual number on the rail. In this game, Mike is playing 9-ball and needs to make a good hit on the 3-ball. Since there's no direct path to the 3-ball, Mike will have to go 4 rails off the side rail to hit the 3-ball. First, he needs to make an educated guess as to where on the side rail will work as his target. If he chooses this diamond, the cue ball should come off the side rail and head toward this area on the in rail. If he can clip the 3-ball, he may leave his opponent a tough shot, but his main objective is to not give up ball in hand. Since this is his target, he'll start counting diamond lengths from this point. So this area here is 4 diamond lengths from his target. If he chooses this area, he'll have to send the cue ball to 4 on the in rail. And remember, you'll be sending the cue ball toward the number. You're not hitting the cushion in front of the number.
Yeah. So it's using your imagination, but...
So the first thing you want to do is pick your target on the side rail that you want to send the cue ball toward. And let's say we make this our target on the side rail. Now let's go down 2 diamond lengths from this target. If we aim toward this area in the side rail, we would need to send the cue ball toward 2 on the in rail. Next, let's go down 3 diamond lengths from our target. Since we're 3 diamond lengths from our target, we now have to send the cue ball toward 3 on the in rail. Now in this example, this diamond is now my target. If I go down 3 diamond lengths from this target, this would have to be my path. But this would require quite a bit of side spin. So instead, I'm going to aim at 3.5 diamond lengths from my target. So now I'll be sending the cue ball toward 3.5 on the in rail. In this game of 9-ball, Mike is hooked on the 3-ball, but if he can go 3 rails toward the 3, he has a good chance of making the 3-9 combination and winning the game. So he first picks his target, which is this diamond here. He then counts down 5 diamond lengths from this target. He could use this area to shoot at, but he would have to send the cue ball to 5, which would require quite a bit of side spin. So he'll go down 1 more diamond length, and now he's 6 diamond lengths from his target. Now he just needs to send the cue ball to 6 on the in rail, which looks like it's an easier shot to execute. In this layout, Mike is playing 9-ball and is hooked on the 3-ball. He could go 3 rails toward this diamond, but he may catch the rail first, sending the 3-ball toward an open area, leaving his opponent a shot. What he would like to do is hit the 3 more full and send it toward the balls at the in rail, leaving his opponent a tough shot. So instead of choosing this diamond, he's going to select the halfway point between the first and second diamond. Since the cue ball will be traveling at an angle toward this area, it should be a full hit on the 3-ball. Next, you'll count down 4 diamond lengths and see if that will work. If he uses this area, then the cue ball will have to be sent toward 4 on the in rail. This works, but it requires quite a bit of side spin. He'll count down one more diamond length, so now he's 5 diamond lengths from his target. If he uses this area, the cue ball will have to head toward 5 on the end rail, which is a much more natural shot.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, should go here. Right there's perfect 5. There. Bingo. Hooked him.